How's it going, brothers? A few days ago I had a bit of a tumble on this bike and I was skillful enough to bend this lever. Everything still works and luckily nothing else happened to the bike. I sort of bruised up my hand, my hip and my shoulders, but it's all good. It's all gonna heal reasonably quickly. That's how the lever's supposed to look. It's supposed to be nice and perpendicular to the piston, and this lever is definitely bent. Luckily nothing actually broke, and the thing is that these levers are actually aluminium, so I will not be heating them up to try to bend it back, because heat and aluminium don't mix. It will make the material brittle. Gonna be trying to hold that spot there roughly with adjustable spanner, and I'm going to get a car's spare tire changer lever that's gonna fit in there just about right, and I'm going to obviously be moving it to the left, try to bend it back as much as possible without actually breaking this. I'm going to put some duct tape around because I don't obviously want to scratch up the lever anymore as it is, but it's all good. We'll see how things go. If it doesn't work out, I will have to buy one, but it's definitely worth trying to bend it out first because a replacement is about 50 to 100 bucks. Okay, so I've just straightened out the lever and it looks pretty good. It looks maybe a little bit twisted right there, but it is definitely quite symmetrical with the one on the other side, and everything still works. It feels pretty solid. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that result. I clipped a Stovey pole and I just got flicked over the bike, and that's how that got bent. But anyway, the tip is to, when you tighten your mounting bolts, don't over tighten them. Tighten them to the point that it stops the lever or the shifter from moving, but when you do crash it will allow for some movement. And in this case, this one was less tightened than this one, so that's why when I did hit the ground, the piston and the housing stayed in one position. This got bent, while this, the entire thing moved and nothing happened to the lever, so that's definitely worth taking into consideration. Also, I nearly forgot to add that if the lever surface is a little bit rough, get some sanding paper and just smoothen it out, and it should make the lever feel like new. It might look like shit, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. Try to stay on your bike and don't crash, but